Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing an install on the Honda CRF300L. This is the DoubleTake adventure mirrors. These come from CRFs only. So we have the stand for it, basically the arm. Then we have the mirror itself. Then we have a ball we put on here. These are super cool, super tough mirrors, probably the best on the market. CRFs only has everything for your CRFs, from Africa Twins to dirt bikes that are CRFs. They have OEM parts. They have parts for your CRF300L, CRF250L, everything CRF. Very cool place, good prices. So they sent me these over to review, make an install video, and check them out. And I actually had some of these on my first CRF250L, and they were super. Never had a minute's problem out of them. Now, the factory mirrors seem to be good on this. I've never had a problem yet. The only problem with them is when I'm riding in the woods like yesterday, when I hit tree limbs. I haven't broke one yet. But they fold back and then they loosen up, and you got to mess with that while you're out on the trail. With these, you can actually loosen the wing nut, fold them in when you're riding in the woods. When you come out, you can put them back out, tighten them back down, and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. So I will post a link to crfsonly.com where you can check these out below. So if you want to check these out and get these for your bike, these work on pretty much any motorcycle, not just a 300L. They'll work on a lot of motorcycles, from street to dirt to adventure bikes or anything. So let's take off them old headache mirrors, stick on the new DoubleTake. Here we go. Okay, so to install these, you actually will need to, when you remove this, you can put this ball on here. It does not have a hex on here. I don't know why they wouldn't just make this hex to make it easier to tighten it down, but it does not come with a hex on here. But you will need this ball. Then you will need the arm, which goes on here. And then you will need the mirror. These are the adventure mirrors. You can actually get the DualSport round mirrors if you like them. That's what I actually had on my 2014, was the round ones. This time I decided to go with the rectangle more shape like this, because I think they look better and have more viewing area. So we went with the adventure mirror, and we just need to spin these off, put the new ones on. So you can see on my bike I already have a lot of Ram accessories. I have one here. I just mount a lot of stuff using the Ram stuff, and very good quality. It's so versatile, the things you can do with Ram mounts. Let's take this off. This mirror, good thing about these is they don't stay tightened up for nothing, so she'll be able to just spin it right off here, as long as it will clear my windshield here, like so. I do want to go ahead and put a little bit of blue Loctite on this, just to maybe help hold this a little bit from coming loose. And I leave my standard Ram ball that I had over here for mounting things. Leave it on here. Should work just fine with this. So basically, because this doesn't have a hex, I'm not sure why they don't do that. It'd be easier if they did. Either going to take vice grips, or you got to take something and tighten this up. It's going to probably booger it up a little bit, but we'll tighten this up. Like so. Don't want to go too tight and actually strip it out, but it does kind of booger it up. I don't know any other way around that, really. You probably could do something, but works for me. Okay, went ahead and stuck my Insta360 mount back on here. Now we'll put this on. So basically, I want the wing part towards the front so I can get to it easy. Set my mirror on. Run it down so I don't drop it here. And the cool part about these are you can adjust them out even further than stock if you want them out further. Or you can put them inside, so you're riding in brush, you can have them aimed in this way, and they're not going to be in the way of the brush. Or you can actually totally remove them, stick them back on when you're done with your woods ride, and you're good to go. Now I actually have to set these later after I get on the bike and ride, or get them to where I want them, but very simple to use. We need to install the other side now. Okay, so whenever you take this side off, there is actually an adapter here. We need to take that off in order to put, because this is left-hand thread, and we need to take it out so we can put in this, because this is right-hand thread. This is the adapter right here that we need to remove, because as you can see, this is not going to fit in there because it's not the right thread. So let's apply some blue Loctite on this one also. Don't take a lot. just like that. You should never have to remove that ball again. Even if you was to break a mirror, you can get another piece. Just leave this on. This should not break, I wouldn't think. Okay, so now we're just going to take our arm right here, put it on. We want to put our mirror on and snug it down. Now all I got to do is adjust my mirrors and I am good to ride. Okay guys, there's the installed DoubleTake mirrors. All I have to do now when I go to the woods, pull these in, but they're not going to be hitting trees. Very simple. Like so. You could actually fold them in further, or as I said, you can completely take them off, go do your woods ride, come back and stick them on. So that's a cool option too if you don't want them on there. But my biggest deal is I want them on for my trip home, so I always leave them on, loosen them up. That's what I did on the 250L. Then I can put them back in. So all I gotta do is get them adjusted like so for myself, where they feel comfortable, and I'll be good to go. So that's it guys for the DoubleTake adventure mirrors from CRFsonly.com. I will post a link down below. They have everything for your CRFs. Go check them out. Super prices, super good people to deal with. Thank you, Justin, for sending this stuff over. Click the thumbs up on my video, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ride on.